Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do a hinge reversal on a Samsung dryer. Alright, we're going to dive right into this one. Most dryers are symmetrical on both sides, so, the dryer door is symmetrical on both sides, so essentially what you're doing is swapping the parts from one side to the other. First thing I'm going to start off doing is removing the screws that are holding these hinges. So we'll pop that off, this way we can take it away. So 4 screws, pops them out, the door lifts up and pulls out. Alright, next step is going to be to separate the inside of the door from the outside, so we can get access to all the parts that we need and start the reversal process. So I'll point out the screws pretty much all the way around. All these, it looks like there's a Phillips head screw all the way around. So go ahead and start. Alright, so looks like I got all these screws out. I'll go on this side. And it's going to pop right out. So you gotta apply a little pressure just to get it pulled apart, but once you have it apart, I'll show you what to do next to put it back together. So this of course is the glass, just simply falls into place there. Now we're gonna, as you can see, once you take that apart, everything pretty much just pulls out. Just to give you a visual of what's going on here. So this was the cover, we pulled it apart. Now what we're gonna do is flip the hinges and the parts to the opposite side. So this pulls out from here. We'll start on this side. This is one of your hinges. We're gonna move it, and then you're just gonna flip it to the opposite side, just on this side, and the cover that's on this side goes to this side, so it just flips right over. So essentially getting to where you need to get to is obviously the main challenge. Once you get there, it's pretty straightforward. So I flipped this, now I'm gonna go back to this side and put the hinge in there. Same thing at the top. This is the other hinge. This was here, and we're gonna flip it to the opposite side. So this is the cover, pop that off, flip it to this side, and then this is gonna be on here, right here. Boom. All right, that's in. Now, the other thing you're gonna do here is your door latch, or for the door latch here. This part was on here, and we're gonna obviously flip it to this side. So same concept. Move it from here, and you're gonna slide it in to this side. You got the hose to line up. So pretty straightforward. Once you get everything flipped, the next thing is going to be now is to put this back on. You're going to want to secure the inside of the door to the outside, and there's on this to point out where the door latch is going to be. It's like a little cover. You're just going to remove it so that pokes through, and you're able to secure it, and it just goes on to the opposite side to cover it up. So we're going to cover that. A little bit centered. That's it. All right, so that's it, good to go. We can go ahead and put this back together. there's little clips down here. So once you just gotta line it up. Once you push it in, you'll get it to clip in, as you can see right there that I just did, and then go all the way around. Just make sure you have same thing at the top. If you look here, little clips, just goes in and it gets closed. All right, I'm on all the way around. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the screws back in, secure it. Alright, so we got all the screws back in. The door is back together. The glass is in there. And the next step is to go ahead and move the door latch and flip it with the cover on the opposite side. So we'll pop this cover off. Just simple flathead screwdriver pops it right out. Nothing secure in it. And then just move this over. That pulls right out. Goes to the opposite side. That's in there. We'll put the cover on the opposite side. Just clips right in, and then that takes care of that. So that we can get access to where the hinges get secured, there's also these covers that you gotta flip as well. Same thing, just pop them off. That pulls right out, and that goes on the opposite side. Just simply clips in. Once that pops off, same thing, flathead, little groove in there, you could see, and then just goes right on. Just lines up a couple holes and then just push it into place. That's it, done deal. Now the final step is to go ahead and attach the door to the frame of the dryer, and that's simply gonna go just like this. I'm gonna go here. Just if you look at the hinge, I didn't show you as a close-up. It's just a screw. I didn't put that there. That was already there like that. That's essentially what's used to hook. So that screw goes into this hole, kind of drops right down to hold it there, and then you secure it to the screws. So I'm just gonna go here, and it just drops right in, just like you said. And then I got my mounting screws. And there you have it. That is how you reverse the hinge on a Samsung dryer. This process is the same process on multiple Samsung dryers, so it should be pretty straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helps. Like and subscribe for more.